Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot free CRM for making money online step by step clearly. Visit the HubSpot website by typing in hubspot.com in your browser. On the home page, locate the Get HubSpot Free button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Here, you have the option to register using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you choose to use your email, enter it in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the specified field. Once everything is filled out, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to provide some personal information. Enter your first name and last name in the designated fields. Indicate your company name and your role within that company. Fill out your company's website URL if applicable. Select your country from the drop-down menu. After completing this information, click on the Next button. You may be asked how you plan to use HubSpot's CRM. Choose the option that best fits your needs. This helps HubSpot tailor your experience. Then, click on the Continue button once again. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open your email and find the message from HubSpot. Click on the verification link contained in the email. Once verified, return to the HubSpot site to finalize your registration. Now, you'll be directed to the dashboard of HubSpot's CRM. Take a moment to explore the features available to you. You can start adding contacts, companies, and deals right away. Set up your pipeline according to your business model. Customize your CRM settings to suit your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.